Ngavana wa Kisumu Prof Anyang Nyong'o Niwe ukwikalila kivila kinene cha Mutongoi wa ODM Raila Odinga ivindani ulikile kambeinini ya kumantha mwanya wa mweene kivila ngwatanioni ya nthi ya Africa AU. Amwe mawia manene hala Anyang Nyong'o ukuungamia mbumbano ya nzama manene ya kati ya ODM nokana kuikiithya uteti wa kyama vamwe na musyi wina vingisa mipango ya kambeini na uteti wa Raila kuu ya AU. Benjamin Mwaka niwo gutwambisa.
Ngavana wa Kisumu Prof Anyang Nyong'o yuno kuthaya tunene cia Raila Odinga kuungamia utongoi wa chama cha ODM mbumbano ya nzama manene ya kati ya chama ki nzama ila niyo engine ya utongoi wa ODM nzama ikomanite omonde ni awete viki yonyuvio nokana kuvetanga muvwavwano chamani ki.
That in light of the grueling campaign by our party leader and the need for him to focus on this for the AU chairmanship, he has designated His Excellency Honorable Peter Anyang Nyong'o, the Governor of Kisumu, to chair any and such meetings of this committee, the central committee that may become necessary during periods of his absence. For those of you not familiar with the constitution of ODM, the central committee is the only organ of the party that is chaired by the party leader, and that therefore for him to concentrate on his campaigns as the chairperson for the chairpersonship of the AUC, he has designated the Governor of Kisumu, His Excellency Peter Anyang Nyong'o, to chair the meetings of this committee whenever he will not be able to attend.
Vino tumanyulo anenganwa ni ODM utangazo unu utetesya kuvovya nzeve ya muvwavwano chamani che ivindani Raila weveti otitino wa vamwe nokana kuikonyana uteti welembete Africa.
Now, knowing how grueling the campaign is going to be, in fact, the Honorable Raila Odinga has had to step out. He's going to catch a flight today, and we wish them all the best wishes. We want to allow him time to be able to do those campaigns. So we don't want there to be a point where a meeting becomes necessary and then we don't have a chair, because our constitution does not allow any other person other than a person designated by the party leader to chair the central committee meetings. That is why he has designated the Honorable Peter Anyang Nyong'o to do that job if a meeting is necessary when he's not there. But when he's around, he will continue to chair those meetings.
Unyuvi wa Profesa Anyang Nyong'o ni katoa mauluku manene maki utongoi alama ende kwetu chamani kicha ODM kumanwa na unyuvi wa Amwe alama nae hanini Raila kutuye kama minister serikali ni mpya President William Ruto ya broad-based.
We have said that ODM has many organs. All the other organs, by the way, the meetings are chaired by the national chairperson, from the National Delegates Convention to the National Governing Council. If you look at the constitution of ODM, the only organ that is chaired not by the national chairperson but by the party leader is the central committee. But we need to also take cognizance of the fact that there might be required a need for this committee to meet, and we will need a chairperson for that meeting. And since the constitution does not allow the SG or the chairman or any other person other than a person being the party leader or his appointee to chair that meeting, that is why that step has been taken.
Nyong'o na ulani Gavana tamu wake ile kauntini ya Kisumu tongoi ya ODM yungina mwakani ukite tele mausungio maki kungu chote tuwa Raila cha AU kula ili katuwe mwinu wakeli atiyo maudhuku mengi macha maki tauniwanu wako ya nduani mende otatene maungamio ni mweene kivila na ngavailengi siya kyama.
That the National Elections Coordinating Committee be and is hereby directed to prepare to hold the postponed grassroots elections in the month of November this year. This committee has further proposed that the Honorable Hamida Kibwana, nominated senator, replaces the Honorable Beatrice School in that committee, the National Elections Coordinating Committee, following the appointment of Honorable Askul as a cabinet secretary.
Vilengo wa mambo kumava kaunti nilovi. Nye, nita wa Benjamin Mwaka.